guys, how you doing? Welcome back. I know I've not done any videos for quite a while. That's because I've been ill and I've been busy with work, trying to earn a bit of money so I can actually spend it on a car. But yeah, everything's pretty much the same as what it was before, so I thought I'd just give you guys an update. The only things that have changed, and I want your guys' opinions on a few things, is the gold. Now, you all know I started with the chrome gold and it looks absolutely fantastic. The issue I had with it when I was doing it was the fact that it was cold outside. I don't have a storage unit, I don't have anywhere dry to do it, so it wasn't taking well on the car. Now, it stuck, don't get me wrong, but to do the rest of the car, it started to get really, really cold, and as you know, in the UK, we had a lot of snow and such, so I've not been able to do anything. I've been waiting for the weather to warm up to continue with that. Now, I'm in two minds now whether I should go gold and black or should I go blue chrome and black. Now, it's exactly the same as the gold, the same place, the same supplier. Obviously, it's just blue. So you'll have to let me know what you guys think about that, whether you think it will look better as a chrome blue or a chrome gold. Now, I do like the gold, it does get a lot of attention. It was parked outside my house for literally 2 days, 3 days, with just the front bumper and the quarter panel, and I had people taking photos of it. But yeah, the gold at the minute is taken off the car because I didn't want to leave it for so long, let's say 3 or 4 months, with just 2 panels done, because it'll just look stupid, which I'm sure you guys can understand that. But yeah, that is pretty much it mainly. I am going to be doing the car, I am going to be wrapping the car, but now the weather's warming up. I mean, I think it's about 7 degrees today, but it is raining, as you can see on this window just here. But yeah, I am slowly getting things sorted. The only thing that's changed with the car at the minute is that I had a spring snap on me. Luckily, it wasn't a full snap, it was just on the bottom of the spring. So I have put some, I've got some coilovers put on, some Pro Sports. There was about £280, I think they were, and I've just replaced all 4 because the original ones that I had before, they was looking very, very, bad. It was on the car when I got it. I didn't put any of them on. I did try and put the springs on myself, but the bolts on the car, whoever put them on before, I could not get them off with a normal socket. It had to be literally air compression with gun. I couldn't get it off at all, and they even had trouble getting it off. They said there'd been no chance that I got it off, and that was at the top and at the bottom with the supports as well. But they are very simple to put on. It's literally your supports at the top. You got I think it's 3-4 bolts at the bottom. Put your foot on the brake on the bottom of the thing. Obviously, you got to take your wheel off. Put your foot on the arm, push it down so it drops it out, and literally take it out. Obviously, you adjust your coilovers to your height. If you guys want to see a video on that, I can. Obviously, I can't show you how they are done, but I can walk you through it because I'm not going to take one off the car just to do it because it's all perfect now. It's the same height as it was before. I don't want it any lower because if I have it any lower, I'm not going to be able to do anything. I'm not going to be able to get up any speed humps and such. I still want to be a practical car, but it's in the exact same position, so it's sitting just under the wheel arch. So yeah, that's about it really. I just wanted to let you guys know I've got a lot, like I said, I've got a lot of people asking me what's going on with the car, where the videos are at. So I thought I'd just take this time now to let you guys know what's happening. I am still here. I appreciate you guys that still subscribed. Obviously subscribe for more. There will be more coming. I'm trying to get on to doing YouTube a bit more full time. I am looking for a project car, and a lot of you will know that I do like Supras, Skylines, so I am looking for a Supra or an R34. There is a garage that I'm looking at renting as well. I can get a garage for around £200 a month. Now it's a decent floor space, it can fit around 4 cars in, so that to me is something I can use to either wrap cars, work on cars, do all that sort of stuff. So a project car would be good for that. So you'll have to let me know what you guys think. Obviously, like I said, I appreciate you guys being here and staying subscribed for all this time, even if, I've not posted. I think it's been about 3 months. But again, the car is getting wrapped, but obviously I want your guys' opinion on the gold or the blue. I think I like the gold, but again, the blue, it's a nice car, but I mean, you see a lot of blue cars about. It's very rare you see gold ones. So yeah, Like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and you'll see more. And thank you very much, and stay tuned for the next one, which will be very soon, hopefully.